how to get free credit balance on TEMU. So if you want to get free credit balance on your TEMU, then what you need to do is just open up your TEMU application. After that, make sure that you've logged into your account. Now, once you're on your TEMU, you just need simply go with your home section. Now, under your home, you'll have this kind of information. So what you're going to do is to actually receive a free credit balance. It's very easy. Now, let's say you've made an order or you already have an order in mind. Now, you need to go to the top of your screen in the search bar and then type in claim credit. After that, go with search. Once you go with claim credit, it will take you to the next kind of interface, which looks like this. So in my case, the activity has been expired. Now, once you press on the search, it will open up a promotion page that's going all the time. And here, once you draw, you'll get a spinning wheel. So once you tap on that spinning wheel, you'll get 1% credit cash back or 15% credit back or one more chance or 2% credit back. And once you get that, what happens is that the credit balance will go to charity, and this actually means that if you have around 100 euros in credit with a maximum amount of 14, you will get it back in credit. And I'm going to, so it might not be available in all of your regions, but if it's available, then you'll be able to get free credit balance on TEMU with this interface. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below.
Thanks for watching.